to my channel. My name is Christy. For those of you who are new here, for those of you who are returning, welcome back. I am certainly glad that you have decided to watch. I almost said for another plan with me. That will be coming soon enough. Apologies for my nails looking like a freaking disaster. Apparently I did not do a very good job applying my Color Street strips, and I destroyed my thumbnails today trying to help my best friend change the ear tips on her AirPods. So it is currently Christmas night at 7:13 p.m. I have something gross on my watch. It has been an eventful Christmas in Nashville. For any of you that saw the news, you probably saw that we had a bomb go off downtown today. I probably live, I don't even know how many miles it is from downtown. Explosion happened at like 6:30 this morning. We were sitting upstairs in the house. It rattled the windows. Actually, it rattled the whole house, but like noticeably rattled the windows here. And I mean, the cynical side of me was like, meth lab? But as it turns out, it was an RV that was packed with explosives downtown in Nashville, Tennessee. So don't know anything else about that yet. So yeah, that's kind of where we are. So before I get started, I have two plan with me's I think I'm going to film tonight. I have the one for this current week that we're in, and then the one for next week for New Year's. But I just thought I'd do a little bit of a haul because I do have quite a bit of stuff that I have gotten in, and I haven't done one of these in a while. So the first thing I thought I'd kind of go through with you guys is all of the goodies, or at least all of the goodies I can find and lay hands on immediately. Actually, no, I can lay hands on the other one. I think this was the only other thing in the other one. Maybe? Yes, no. There's another sheet though. Uh-oh. There's another sheet to this somewhere, but I don't know where it is at this very moment. I go through all the stuff from my Coffee Monsters Co. Advent calendar. So, yeah, we're going to do that real quick first. And then I've got a stack of stickers over here. So, one of the things, and I don't know where the other sheet is right now. I'm sure it's in my expandable file up here. Was 2 sheets of stickers. I thought these were like super cute. I actually used one last week. Or week before last. Whenever the last time I planned was. So, yeah. And then I'm going to show you guys the things that aren't washi first because there's less of those. So then there was also this pocket for your planner. I think this is super cute. Don't know how I'm going to utilize it yet, but I'm going to put it in my planner. There was also this charm, which I think is freaking adorable. So cute. Love it so much. And then these sticky notes, which I adore. Anytime I can get my hands on sticky notes, I'm in love because I keep these on my desk and I will utilize these at work. The other thing was this, which I don't know how I'm going to use this. We shall see. I'm thinking about storing stickers in it, maybe other stuff. I'm just not sure. Probably current kits or anything like that that I might be using that I want like close to me. But I think this is freaking adorable. It's just so cute. And the rest is all washi. So let me see if I can kind of gather the obvious Christmas washi together. I mean, that's not Christmas. It's more winter. So first there's like these 2 Christmas ones, and I don't know how well it's going to show these. There it goes. There's these Christmas ones. There's those so cute. I can't wait to use all of these. Y'all know I'm not usually a washi person, but I think I'm going to have to become a washi person to use all of these. Let me see if I tighten in. Maybe that will help. There we go. So we have these 2. And now you guys can really see the ugliness of my nails. I think these are so cute. I love these so much. I need washi storage options, so if anybody has ideas for that, please let me know. And then there is this one, which is a winter scene, which I like that I can still just use this for winter, but I love it so much. And when I say storage options, by the way, for washi, I mean like decorative on the desktop. There are 2 more thinner ones, and I'll just pull those together. There's this one that is mail related. And then there's the onesie one, which I love both of these. The snail mail one is like so cute. I love this so much. Then we have this one, which is like the little emoji type faces. So cute. I would like to try to use this around Valentine's Day because I think it would be really cute then. Then we have this one with the little dream. Oh, these are so cute. I love, and look at the foil on that. It's so pretty. And then we have this one. That's another winter one. You get your onesie munchkins. Or yeah. What? You guys know. I'm sorry. You know what I'm saying. Man. Okay. Sorry guys, there's just a lot going on. But I want to film. So yeah, we have this one. And then we have this one with the little book nerd. I think he's so cute. Look at these. They're so cute. So yeah, that's all my stuff from my Coffee Monsters Co. Advent Calendar. So now, and I think before I get to other stuff, we'll go with Nikki. So let's keep all of this stuff together. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to show you is the very cute card that came with Nikki's orders for Christmas. Look at Ozzy. He's just so cute. So the first thing was, this is my December bundle. This has been on a journey. I didn't think it was going to get here. I'm trying to see. You know what? Those actually fit in there. Okay, let me widen out a little bit more. There we go. This thing, I didn't think it was going to get here, and I think others who got the sub bundle had the same issue. It was something about, like, there's just literally something hit and miss about the way the postal service is with pretty much everything right now. So, yeah. So, this was the December bundle with all this silver foil. You guys, this is just so pretty. These colors speak to my soul because blue is my favorite color in the entire world. And look at that star washi. So pretty. And then look at this star, the headers is what I was saying. And look at this washi. It's literally reflecting on the walls in here. So pretty. And then it also comes with the mini kit, or micro kit, excuse me. And this is before the reformat, I believe, that she just did. Yeah, because this was the December. And then this is the freebie that came with it as well. I have to put that away. So now, okay. Let's just go into these together. So I have started getting the 7-page bundle when I order from Nikki. I'm still buying the micro kit with it because I'm ridiculous. But the 7-page bundle I tend to find works better for me. So this is one of my Valentine's kits. The 7-page bundle comes with, you have your boxes as always. The second page, which is the same as it always is. Love the colors of this kit. And you have your headers and some washi and some additional labels down at the bottom. And then we have our washi page. Y'all, that washi is so cute. So this is, that's what? That's a 4-page kit, yes? Right? Yes. Was I right about that? 2, 3. Yes. So you have a 4-page kit. And then you also get 3 pages of, you have script samplers, and then you have icons volume 1 and 2 that come with the kits. To me, this just makes more sense for me. But because I'm extra AF, I still purchase. And this kit, in case you didn't see it at the top there, is XOXO. And then I also get the micro kit to go with it because I think it's super cute. This is the one that she made some edits on where you have more headers here. Honestly, the biggest reason I get these is for these boxes, like having more of those and having just extras. So no amount of anything like really made a whole lot of like difference in my life as far as like what went in it. It's just, to me, it was fine either way. This next kit, I needed an actual Valentine's week kit, which is why I purchased XOXO. Here's the thing. I'm not a Valentine's girl. I'll never be a Valentine's girl. I'm just not. Okay, so let me pull both of these out. Okay, so the next one that I purchased, and as you can tell, we've got some silver foil here with our Icons Volume 1 and 2 and our script sampler. This is Weekend Vibes. These colors are everything to me. I love this. It's such a like simple, sweet version. This is my kind of Valentine's kit. I love these colors. Like, this color palette makes me incredibly happy. It's like mixed somewhere between like a pastel Valentine's and Welcome to Spring, and then this washi is so simplistic, but so cute. I am in love with this kit so much. And then as always, we have our micro as well. I know that a lot of people were excited about having the bottom washi. It doesn't really faze me either way, just because that's not what I was using it for. But I do think it's a great addition to the kits, and I do think that a lot more people will probably be apt to purchase and use them because of that. I believe this as well, just so you guys are aware, was my Black Friday order. I'm pretty sure it was. Can't remember for sure. There's crap all over these packages because honestly, crap has just been slung around everywhere for the last like month because Christmas. Okay, so obviously, as you can tell, our last one is hollow, and it is Aurora. Look at that foil. Oh, this kit is so beautiful. I just love it. It's so Arendelle, and it's like the Arendelle Aqua, which I'm so sad that I didn't get any of the Arendelle Aqua collection from Disney, because the Spirit jersey, like, I literally wanted it with everything that I am. Once again, color palette, like, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. And then, oh, you guys, look at that washi shine. It's so pretty. So that is obviously the full kit. Then we have our Icons Volume 1, 2, and the script sampler. Then, as always, we have our micro kit, which includes 2 pages. I do like the addition of an extra full box. I don't know if that will make me use it or not, but potentially. So these were the 2 Black Friday freebies that I got. This was the basic one, and this was for $50 plus. Okay, so I think that was all of my Nicole Alexia design stickers. Now, there's 2 things that I purchased. I knew I wanted a kit or 2 potentially for Inauguration Day. I've ended up purchasing 2. I still have issues. Let me explain. So Sticker Guru was one of the first ones I saw with the kits, and I purchased this one immediately when I saw it. And this is a artwork, I believe, that Nikki uses, the fall floral. But I liked the simplicity of it. I liked that it wasn't over the top, but it still has the silver foiling on it, which I think is beautiful. And then we have our bottom washi. And then we have some little clip art, some little like, you know what I mean, deco of like the White House, a flag, and then some florals. And then our date headers. Let's see, what else? And then we have some various like header washi strips and some checklists, some boxes, some little like scallop boxes. We have a couple of weekly trackers. We have some bill-dos, we have some labels, and we have more boxes up here and a couple of checklists at the bottom. Now, this kit has washi. Okay, great. There were other things I felt like were missing from this kit. But then I also decided, I was like, well, why the hell would I stop at one kit? I could do like two. I could do the week before inauguration and inauguration week. So the next thing I saw was I started looking, and there was a shop on Etsy I found called More Avenue. And there was another kit. I liked the vibrancy of the red, white, and blue on this one. I love the We Did It Joe box. And then this one, the Lace Up Ladies, There's Glass Everywhere. I adore this box. And then A Presidency for the People with the White House. I really, really like that one too. We obviously have some labels and half boxes, quarter boxes, etc. We have our date covers as well as some to-dos, some various headers, some check boxes, and then some longer washi strips. We've got a lot of icons here, I guess. And then we have some scripts at the top here, some chevrons, which, oh, these are really cool. They remind me a lot of my tattoo. And then we have some checklists as well as a weekly tracker. But y'all, there's no washi. So I guess my question for this one is, if anybody knows of some washi that would match this, please leave suggestions down below. The other two things I purchased from More Avenue when I purchased this was more full boxes, because they had this set. This one up here that says, let me be clear, equal rights are not extra rights. And then this one right here that says unity over division, truth over lies, science over fiction, hope over fear, which I really, really like that one. And the other thing I got was the Madam Vice President quote sampler that has the Lace Up Ladies, There's Glass Everywhere. I eat no for breakfast, which, in case anyone was curious, this is my favorite Kamala Harris quote. The American dream belongs to us all. You never have to ask anyone's permission to lead, just lead. And I may be the first, but I won't be the last. Then it came with a super cute freebie. The freebie of all freebies. So I'm going to show you guys the bottom one first that just says the hashtag bye bye bye. So this one, the first rule of 2021 is we don't talk about 2020. I adore this box, and it will probably get used. This one as well. 2020, it's been really awful, because no more accurate things exist. So that is my little haul. And it's like super thick. Of stickers that I have gotten, plus my advent calendar stuff from Coffee Monsters Co. So yeah. Be looking out for Playing With Me's coming in the next couple of days. The Christmas one is probably going to be a voiceover, but that's okay, because I have a MacBook now and in microphone, so I'm hoping that that's going to come out better than it used to. So anyway, yes, thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.